Hello, Adab, Sat Shri Akal, and welcome back to the Chit Chat Show, which is organized by Dream Chaser Media Production and supported by Swad Hindustan Ka. Today on our show, we have a very vivacious and charming personality. She's a model, anchor, influencer, traveler, VJ, and lot of other aspects she has in her. So let's just welcome Priyanka Zenze and get to know more about her life and her journey till now. Hello अनजान जी uh, जी अनजान जी hello Anil Kumar ji. So we are just waiting for Priyanka to join our live chat. I hope she's ready and she'll join soon. She must have got the notification. Insta थोड़ा सा लेट देता है notification. We have to wait. We don't have much option. So we are just waiting for her to join the chat. So thanks for joining and just be there till the time she joins and we can continue with our chat. Hello Vicky, hello. Thanks for joining. Thank you Anjanti, thanks for your compliment. I'm just waiting for our guest today, Priyanka Zenze, to join the chat so that we can get to know more about her. So I think she is not there yet. Hello, Mr. Inder Karan Kush. I think that's what your name is. Yes, she's there. Too much of heat. I think she'll be there. Hi Priyanka, how are you doing?
Hey, hi.
Yes, hi. Yeah, we just need to adjust the cameras. I'm good. How you doing?
I'm good, man. Going
Yeah.
well.
Yeah, you're looking pretty, and I was just introducing you as one person with a lot of great personalities. Like, in the sense, you're a dancer, you are a VJ, you are an influencer, you are a self. You love travel enthusiast, if I call you that. So basically, I just want to let's start this chat show, and I want to know like how this lockdown period is going on. You know, lockdown period सभी के लिए like we all were trapped inside. तो पहले हम ये बोला करते
Yeah,
थे कि we didn't get the time, हमें टाइम नहीं मिला ये करने के लिए, हमें टाइम नहीं मिला वो करने के लिए. तो आपको किस किस चीजों के लिए टाइम मिला जो आप पहले नहीं कर पाती थी?
I think this lockdown has given me a lot of time to work on my skills.
ओके.
तो मैं एक्टिंग वर्कशॉप्स कर रही हूँ.
हम्म.
मकरंद देशपांडे सर के साथ मैंने वर्कशॉप्स किए हैं. अभी
ओके.
अरविंद गौर सर के साथ थिएटर
ओ.
वर्कशॉप्स चल रहे हैं.
ओ ग्रेट.
And apart from that, there is this thing I feel.
या.
We all humans are laid back somewhere. So
या टोटली.
yeah, and when you realize that this lockdown is not giving you work, and when you realize that it's kind of a situation where you have never been before,
हम्म.
you try to push yourself.
यस. यस.
And I think that's what I did in this lockdown.
ओके.
And me with my team, we worked on a web series, which is a Marathi web series.
ओके.
And we did a lockdown series. And now
ओ.
the series was really liked by 3 different OTT platforms.
ओके.
And this happened right in the lockdown, not even like we shot before. It
ओके.
happened in like April, May, June.
ओके.
And this web series called Monkey Heist is available on Hungama Play, on MX
ओके.
Player, and on
ओके.
Airtel Extreme.
ओ
And
ग्रेट.
apart from that, काफी सारे friends हैं मेरे जो भी एडिटर है, डायरेक्टर्स है या एक्टर्स है, राइटर है. तो हम सारे एक साथ एक प्लेटफॉर्म पे आए. And then we decided to come up with a short film on the
ओके.
Frontline Warriors.
ओके.
And we made this short film for festivals, and we
ओके.
got 2 nominations as of now for
Oh
that.
wow.
So
मतलब
that's what we are doing.
yeah, so it's like you have actually utilized your lockdown period pretty nicely. बहुत ही अच्छे से utilize किया आपने और उसको creative तो बनाया ही बनाया और like you have actually making a series on these frontline corona warriors. We all need
Yes,
to
yes.
know how hard their life is. अगर आज
Yeah,
की
it's
डेट में हमें
difficult.
हमें हमें सिर्फ मास्क लगाने को बोला जाता तो वी फील ओ गॉड कौन लगा के घूमेगा, सांस नहीं आती. एंड जस्ट इमेजिन देम वेयरिंग
Exactly.
ऑल दैट पीपी किट्स एंड ऑल दैट एवरी डे
Exactly.
without any fail. Yeah, so that's amazing. So apart from that, like you did all this thing. Tell me, I want to know about your journey. You are an MBA, right? You did your MBA. So you shifted from MBA to being an artist. How was that journey?
I basically started my journey with hospitality and hotel administration from Dada
Okay.
Catering.
Okay.
And then I was in Dubai for my internship. I interned over here. Then I was working right after my postgrads.
Okay.
And uske baad, I think I was just not, I think I was just not
Happy.
adapting myself with the nine to
Yeah.
six job for
Okay.
a year.
Okay.
So, everybody was like, nahi, nahi, 1 year ka experience le, 1 year ka experience le. And then if you want to leave the job, leave. But then I somehow managed to survive for a year at the workplace. And then I took a break, like I took a career break. I literally
Okay.
took a career break for like
Okay.
6 months. And I
Okay.
utilized that 6 months in going around the world. So for the three
Oh.
months of my time I was in UK,
Okay. Okay.
yeah, I was in UK, and then I came back. And when I came
Yeah.
back,
Right.
my friends told me like, "What are you supposed to do now?" So I enrolled myself in different things, in that span of 6 months. So dancing is something which I've been doing since I was a kid.
Okay.
Bharatnatyam and everything. So
Oh.
I
Okay.
said maybe I should see myself if I have a
Right.
potential there. So I started applying for different kind of courses. So
Okay.
luckily, I got this FTII course, which is acting, and then I after that completing that I did this filmmaking course over there.
Okay. Okay.
So after that, I started applying for titles, and I was Miss Raigan Maharashtra.
Yeah. You have a good height,
After
right?
that,
Yeah. You
yeah, I
have a
was
good
Miss.
height.
This was
Yeah.
2018.
Okay.
And after that, the graph was, I mean, never expected. I quickly got a serial on Sony Marathi. That was a new
Okay.
channel back then, which was
Okay.
getting
Okay.
launched. So they
Okay.
launched me on that platform. I worked on the
Okay.
serial for almost like 8 months, 9 months,
Yeah. Yeah.
and फिर Hindi opportunities आने लग गए.
Right.
So I told myself one thing that if I become very focused right now, like
Right.
oh मुझे यही करना है, यही करना है, then I think I might just block
Okay.
my opportunity.
Yeah.
So I started doing reality shows. I started taking whatever was coming on my way,
Yeah.
whether it's paid, whether it's not
Yeah.
paid, but something which
Yeah.
is good.
Yeah. Yeah.
So the, doing everything, today when I look back, like 2 years back, I
Yeah.
I feel that oh my God, like fine, maybe I'm getting somewhere, but I've
Yeah.
done a lot. It's okay. It's not that oh um, people don't know me yet or something like that. I feel I'm a
Yeah.
performer and have
Yeah.
performed in some
Yeah.
or the other way.
Yeah.
In form of dancing, in form of acting, in form of an anchor, or whatever. So I'm
Yeah.
just happy that
So
way.
I think your journey has been pretty adventurous. जैसे आपने बताया, it was not planned. It was not planned that you want to do this only. It was just that you took life as it came. जैसे भी जो भी life ने आपको परोसा, आपने उसको और सजा के उस थाली में उसको आपने accept कर लिया, right? So,
Yes.
so you have done, like you, as you said, that you have done anchoring also, and you have been a part of the show where you contested, like for that, like the same show, and then you
Yeah,
basically
I was
anchored
a
that.
contestant for the
Yeah,
show.
yeah.
Yes.
So tell us about that.
It was fun. This was back in 2018.
Okay.
And it was a fun show thanks to Sahil Khattar because उसका humor
Yeah.
इतना अच्छा है उनका कि
Yeah.
वो पूरा show बना के उन्होंने रखा था. And
Okay.
it was not like any other reality show. It was a pure
Yeah.
travel show.
Okay.
कि बस तुम्हें अलग-अलग जगह पे जाना है
Yeah.
given bikes पे, and in the group you have to do the task.
Yeah.
I think that was a show where I felt like oh my God, I have a physical strength to perform all
Yeah.
these
Yeah.
tasks. And
Yeah.
what you see on the TV sometimes, we laugh at roadies, but
Yeah.
you have no idea what kind of energy you need to
Yeah.
even
Yeah.
perform that task.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's just next level.
So
So I
how you
think
got that? How you got that? How you got, like, you do you have a love for bikes? या फिर adventure का love था तो आपने सोचा कि नहीं, चलो चल
adventure
के
is
देखते हैं.
something that I have been loving since I was a
Okay.
kid. I used
Okay.
to go for trekking and hiking with different
Okay.
groups.
Okay.
Since I was in fourth standard, I used to go for like those treks by youth
Yeah.
hostel in Himachal
Oh.
Pradesh and all for
Oh.
21 days.
Okay.
And I used to be youngest in my school, and all my
Oh.
teachers used to be like, "Arey, ye to matlab
Yeah.
ladka hai," because I used to be a very tomboy.
Yeah.
I was
Yeah.
clearly
Yeah.
not
Yeah.
anything of a girl.
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
know, going outside on the
Yeah.
cycling with
Yeah.
other
Yeah.
boys, getting
Yeah.
tanned and coming back,
Yeah.
and my mom used to
Yeah.
be like, "Oh my God, मेरी बेटी का क्या होगा?" and kind of a thing. So,
Yeah.
but I used to be a very chubby child when I was
Okay.
growing up,
Oh.
while I was
Okay.
growing up,
Okay.
and somehow this adventure and everything came together,
Hmm.
when I was like in my junior college. And
Hmm.
that's how I became a fan of CrossFit and
Hmm.
functional training.
Hmm.
And I somehow started loving the workout and fitness,
Yeah. Yeah.
the entire concept of
Yeah.
eating right and working
Yeah.
out right and,
Yeah.
lifting weights.
Yeah.
So lifting weights was something which became an addiction for me
Okay.
for this
Okay.
2018-19.
Yeah.
I
Actually,
just
that
loved
gives
that.
you strength. That gives you strength because when you talk about, going mountaineering or, on bikes and all, you definitely need that. Somebody who
Yes,
says,
definitely.
yeah, you can't be a chui mui and, travel all that. You need to be actually, I think, being a tomboy in your earlier years, I think that proved to be beneficial for you. Or kahin na kahin, it helped you, getting, being, because see, I also love bikes, and even I heard about this Yamaha wala challenge. And
Oh,
yeah, so I, the whole idea about all this, going, traveling on bike, and exploring new places is amazing. I'm sure, how much time was, that show continued?
it was for around 20 days.
20 days. Okay, 20 days
20
on
days we
bike.
were out.
Okay.
20 days we were out.
Yeah.
We had no idea what we were up to.
Yeah.
We were not
Yeah.
able to use our phone because the
Yeah.
places that we were
Yeah.
traveling
Yeah.
had no
Yeah. No
network.
network. Yes.
But,
Yes.
but the kind
Yeah.
of tan that I came
Yeah.
back with
Yeah.
did not go for the next 6 months.
Yeah, yeah, I
I
know.
was
And
completely
the
tan.
and you know what? When we go for trekking and all that, all these creams they claim itne SPF 50, 60, पता नहीं कितने कितने. No matter कितना भी SPF हो जाए, you can't just actually आप sun
No.
की rays को
You
आप
know
नहीं
what
बचा
made
सकते.
us all the contestant tan was,
Yes.
when you're shooting a show,
Yeah.
it takes
Yeah.
a long time for different takes, for the
Yeah.
anchor,
Yeah.
for the formation of how
Yeah.
the contestants are
Yeah.
going to be standing.
Yeah. Yeah.
That was draining, that the
Yeah.
entire thing
Yeah.
was draining.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, man.
So it was.
Everybody had a fake skin
So
by the end of
it is very normal. That means that आपने hard work किया है, आप गए और आपने अच्छे से ये
yeah.
देखा है वो. That means that, and you have a love for travel. You just told us that कि आप you were doing some work and you just took a break, went off to travel and all. So this traveling part alone, you did alone, right?
Yeah. I
Yeah.
keep going. In fact, right before lockdown, I
Okay.
went to Singapore and Bali.
Okay.
And actually, I went to Singapore to learn dancing. It was a
Okay.
dance festival. It was a
Okay.
Latin dance festival.
Okay.
It
Okay.
happens all over the world in
Okay.
different parts of Europe,
Okay.
the Asian
Okay.
countries.
Yeah.
I never thought that would be a last vacation
Yeah,
because
yeah,
soon
yeah.
started.
So how
But I'm
how your
glad I did
parents
that.
take how your parents take this love for adventure, this love for travel. You if you tell them
They have been
generally.
sending me since I was a kid, na? So they have been sending. So I'll tell
Acha,
you how it all
acha.
started. I'll
Oh,
tell you
you
how
have
it
been.
all started.
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, tell me.
My parents, when they got married,
Yeah.
they did not go for a honeymoon. They went for
Oh,
a trek.
oh.
They
So
went for a
obviously,
21
yeah,
days trek.
yeah, yeah.
And
Hi,
when I saw all
Shauna.
those pictures,
Same here.
I was like,
Yeah,
where is this Indian drama when I see
yeah,
when it calls like
yeah,
a honeymoon? I see
yeah,
you wearing a cashew
yeah,
now. I see
yeah.
you guys doing a river crossing.
Oh,
Like,
okay.
what kind of a honeymoon is this? So I
Okay.
just have a feeling that I think it's
So
just
there,
I
yeah,
inherit.
yeah, genes, yes, yes.
And
Then it is
they
pretty much
still love it. They
answerable.
still go. They still go travel
Wow,
around. I think more than me, they have traveled. So
wow,
that's
that's
how it
amazing.
is.
That's amazing. Like because you need to have that support. You need to have some support system. When you want to do all this, so कहीं ना कहीं एक support system चाहिए होता है. So,
Mm.
like apart from this traveling thing and love for your travel, you're a dancer. Tell us about your dancing. Your love for dancing.
So I've been dancing. I used to, sorry, not
Yeah,
now. I used to
yeah.
dance classical. I
Okay.
was a trained Bharatanatyam classical dancer for
Oh,
10, 12 years.
okay.
And then when I went in 11th and 12th, the
Hmm.
parents were like, now you should focus on your
Focus
studies, get into
studies. Yeah,
dancing
yeah,
and all that.
yeah,
तो कहीं
yeah.
ना कहीं एक pause आ गया था.
Hmm.
But when I was doing my graduation, I used to feel that I need to fill this void where I'm getting constant feeling that
Hmm.
something is missing,
Hmm.
something is missing. And
Hmm.
after completing my graduation, I was like, no, I have to enroll myself back into dance industry. But it
Okay.
didn't happen. It just
Okay.
didn't happen.
Okay.
Now then I have to stay in Navi Mumbai.
Yeah.
So I made a plan that I have to shift to Bombay, and my
Okay.
favorite place is Juhu.
Yeah.
I took a house there, and that was my
Yeah.
dream. Like, just tried in front of the tree. I got a
Priyanka,
beautiful
I
apartment.
think some issue is there in the voice thing. I'm not able to hear you properly. Yeah. Yeah.
Um,
Yeah. You were
is
telling
this?
about shifting to Mumbai. Yeah. Tell me.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
2 years back,
Yeah.
I moved to Juhu and write
Yeah.
exactly what I wanted.
Yeah.
So this
Yeah.
was the time when I decided that I loved Latin dance form. I really adored the Latin culture.
Yeah.
I would love to go and explore more about the culture and
Yeah.
the dancing. So I was
Yeah.
like, the first thing I'm going to do on this shift is learn bachata, and
Mm.
I looked for the best dancers in Mumbai, and
Yeah.
that's how I found about Carmen and Deepika. They are one of the best artists,
Okay.
and I joined their classes, and I think I was training under them for almost 5 to 6 months, and
Mm.
then because of my work commitments, I couldn't continue. But there is something called social dancing, which happens twice a week, different
Okay.
places in Bombay. So
Okay.
all these Latin dancers, they
Priyanka,
come
still your
together.
voice is not clear. I thought it's only me who is not able to hear. Even the viewers are not able to hear. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Let
Yeah.
me just check.
Yeah.
Just try to keep my door open, so maybe you'll get the
Yeah.
Wi-Fi connection. Is that okay?
Okay. Yeah.
Is this
I
fine
think
now?
because
Am
I
I
think
audible?
earlier it was pretty much clear. I don't know what happened in between. Yeah. Now you say.
Mhm. Is this okay now? Can you
Yeah.
hear
Yeah.
me now?
Perfect. Yeah. Perfect. Yes. Perfect. Yeah. Please continue.
All right, so that's how it started, and yeah, the love for dancing started like
Yeah.
it was always there when I was a kid,
Yeah. Okay.
but bachata is something that I've been doing for 2 years now.
Okay.
So that's how it is. But
Oh,
currently, I'm
great.
glad I'm getting calls
Hmm.
from my previous projects. I'm working with
Yeah.
Balaji Telefilms on a web series for Hotstar. So
Okay.
we are resuming next month, and
Oh, great.
I'm really happy I'm getting a call because 5 months no work, and
Yeah.
it was
But then
just
still you utilize pretty
unbelievable
much
we
of
all
your time.
survived for 5 months.
You know, see, this was the time like nobody expected, when it was going on, like the initial months of January and all that. So people were like, even from like all of us were thinking, this is not our problem, this is China's problem, this is some other country's problem, this is not our problem. And suddenly boom,
Yeah.
we are all trapped. So it was like that. It happened like, all of us, like including me, I also thought, like, I also went for a vacation and then came back, and post that, lockdown happened. And I was like,
Oh.
so all my friends were like, oh, you were so lucky you went and all that. So now we don't even know when we can go next. This was the thing.
Yeah.
So
So like
yeah.
yesterday I was talking to one of my friends, she's an
Yeah.
actor, and we were like, it's
Yeah.
been 6 months and we haven't
Yeah.
seen each
Yeah.
other.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
hard.
And for people who are like travel enthusiasts, people who love traveling, so I can understand, it's like they feel trapped, because travel is like, the rejuvenation part. जाके एकदम fresh हो जाते हैं. Some people say कि यार
But
travel से
I
थक जा.
do have travel plans. I do have travel plans.
Okay.
I might just travel to Maldives
Okay.
in the month of November. I hope
Okay.
everything by then settles
Yes.
down.
Yes. I hope
And I
the
can
same.
travel to Maldives.
Yeah.
So that's it. Because
Great.
they're offering a 30 days free visa without quarantine and all that. But
Oh.
before that, you enter, before you book
Okay.
your tickets and before you leave,
Yeah.
you have to get your COVID test
Okay.
done.
COVID
And when they're
certificate. Yeah.
negative,
Okay.
only then you proceed with all
Then
the
you
other
can travel.
procedures. I was
Okay.
just going through all the procedure and I was like, yeah.
So tell me
Maybe
what's
this
the
time, maybe from now onwards, I can start making a vlog because shooting सब
yeah.
कुछ घर से शूट हो रहा था
Yeah.
मेरी वेब सीरीज
Yeah.
मेरी शॉर्ट फिल्म मेरे
Oh.
जो भी
Okay.
छोटी
Okay.
छोटी चीजें थी जो घर से हो
Yeah.
रही थी so I
Okay.
started ordering everything online like
Yeah.
the tripod the lights
Yeah.
so now
Yeah.
I have like I
A
think my
full
house is a
setup.
mini studio now.
Oh.
A full setup
Okay. Full
all I
setup.
need
Full
is a
setup.
gimbal I think
Yeah.
I'm sorted
Yeah. So,
so
apart,
yeah
so all these personalities, like, you are a dancer, you are a VJ, you are an anchor, like, and you're an actor. So what is one thing, like, you want to be known as, like, एक कुछ character, like, होता है ना कि भाई I want to be known for my acting or I want to be known for my dance. तो क्या ऐसी चीज है जो you want that, people to, the moment they say your name, say, oh, Priyanka, oh, she's like Dash.
I
Yeah.
think I really I don't want anyone to call me like, oh, she's a good actor, oh, she's
Hmm.
a good dancer. I
Hmm.
just want them to call me as a performer. Like
Okay.
no matter what I get,
Great.
no matter what I get,
Yeah.
even,
Yeah.
because I have done dancing as well
Yeah.
in one of my music videos.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
I want people to call me like, oh, she's a versatile performer.
Great.
Like she's an
Yeah.
artist. I want myself to
Multi-talented.
be
Yeah.
called as an artist who
Yeah.
is like a versatile artist. I
Yeah.
saw her dancing, I saw her
Yeah.
acting. She's bang
Yeah.
on.
Yeah.
I think I'm trying my best. I'm
Yeah.
utilizing my time in this lockdown.
Great.
I hope whatever classes, whatever lessons I've been taken from all my gurus and all my mentors, it's just going to work out in 2021. And I'm looking for like a massive big projects.
Yeah. So
So let's see.
you want to create that boom, right?
Yeah, I think, I don't know.
Yeah. So
You know,
tell me
sometimes you should
what
not plan.
yeah, very true. Tell me one role that कहीं ना कहीं कोई ऐसा रोल होगा ना, you want that, यार ये मुझे करना है, एक होता है कहीं, you see movies, Bollywood, Hollywood, any other language, you want to
Yeah.
have that role. So which role is that?
I think I really want to play a gangster role,
Oh yeah,
like a
I guess you have badass gangster.
somebody who's
Okay.
like a
Yeah.
who's into
Yeah.
drugs, somebody who's into like a gang, you know.
Yeah.
I really
Yeah.
I love action movies.
Yeah.
And recently all these web series, all the Indian producers and
Yeah.
all the directors who've been amazingly working on these
Yeah.
web series. I'm in
Yeah.
love with all the
Yeah.
action and
Yeah.
everything, all the murder mystery, whatever I'm
Yeah.
seeing these days, it's
Yeah.
I think I'm utilizing
Amazing.
my time to see that. So
Yeah.
whenever I see that, I'm like, I want to do that.
You do
So
that.
there is this very funny thing, okay?
Yeah.
मुझे
Yeah.
जितने भी auditions आते हैं, वो काफी negative role आने लगते हैं. I
Yeah.
don't know, like
Yeah.
80% of my auditions are negative roles.
You know why? Because
And
you have a strong
20%,
I'll tell you why. Because you have a strong personality, and people who have this strong personality, they always क्योंकि negative role में क्या होता है कि आप किसी उसको easy going को नहीं ले सकते. You want somebody who has a
yeah,
strong personality. So it's like that, जनरली ऐसे ही होता है. आई कैन इमेजिन दैट, क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं ऐसे रोल्स मुझे भी आते हैं. आई ऑलवेज वंडर कि ऐसा क्यों होता है. तो देन देन दे से नो यू हैव अ गुड हाइट, यू हैव दिस, दैट, यू हैव गुड like features and all that, so that's the reason probably. So
yeah, but I love it. I love it. I'm like, oh, let's just do
acha,
this. Let's
let's
just
just
get
do it.
like my comfort zone now. And
Yeah.
the moment I get something which is like very soft, I'm like, oh
Yeah.
my God, there's a struggle
Yeah.
now. How would I
Yeah.
do it?
Yeah. That's so true. Like
I
you have,
I
because
still remember. I still
yeah,
remember.
yeah.
I went to some. I don't want to name the production house, but
Okay.
really famous serial right now currently going on
Okay.
Colors. I
Okay.
went for that audition, and I remember
Okay.
it was such a strong negative character. And when
Okay.
I came back, I was like, what the hell did I do? Like,
Uh,
what did I do? Like, such a strong negative character, and I played it well.
hmm.
And I got a call like, okay, you've been shortlisted and blah blah blah. So I like that. I'm like, okay, I don't know.
So it's like you get that kick while doing all that, in that, oh, now you have got,
Yeah,
yeah, nice.
yeah,
So
it's fun.
yeah,
I think the entire process when you get a
yeah,
script, for me, I'm
yeah,
somebody, okay, you can call me
yeah,
laid back,
yeah,
but I am an actor who would, I can't be like, मुझे जल्दी audition दे दो. I'll
हाँ,
be like, dude, just give me 2 days, and
हाँ,
I'll work on
हाँ,
it. I'll live
हाँ,
with it. I'll
हाँ,
understand what all factors
right,
can I add as a
right,
character.
right, right, right.
और उस चक्कर में कभी कभी वो डेडलाइन में निकल जाती है.
Okay,
Trust me,
okay,
but I am somebody I'll just take time to
yeah,
understand
yeah,
because I
yeah,
love it. I love to
yeah.
be in the
So
skin and just
that's
play that.
called method acting. That's called method acting. You want to
Yeah,
get into
I
character. You
think that
want to feel the character. You want to get
I
the
want to feel
lights.
the
Yeah,
character.
yeah. That's amazing.
Yeah, I think
So
that came from FTII training because that's
yeah,
how they trained us.
yeah. That's
So
yeah, true.
amazing. It was
Priyanka,
amazing.
it was great chatting up with you, and getting to know you personally, and all your adventure streaks, were very amazing, and I wish you all the best in the coming year. 2021 should be a boom for you, and for your web series which
No,
is coming.
2020 is also gonna be boom. You should say that.
Yeah, 2020, because you said it's going to release in 2021, so I just said that. So I'll add
Oh yeah,
2020 and 21 and the coming years, all the coming years. So
yeah, definitely.
any short message that you want to give your fans or followers, so we can just wind up after that.
I think this is I think the quarantine time is something which is given by the
Yeah,
universe to
yeah,
understand what are
yeah,
your
yeah,
potential. It
yeah,
is not necessary if
yeah,
you're like a 9 to 6 person.
yeah, yeah,
Just you have that extra
yeah,
time to be home
yeah.
and work from home.
Right,
Just
right.
understand what else can you do, learn a
Yeah,
language, do
yeah,
something else.
yeah.
Just
True.
try to learn things.
Yeah,
Maybe you like cooking, learn cooking, baking, whatever
yeah,
you want to do.
yeah, yeah.
Just do it, yeah. And this
Just
is
do
like
it.
a
Just
once in a
just do
lifetime
it. Be
opportunity.
happy. Stay happy. You know, and
Be
just
happy.
do. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, do not get depressed.
yeah,
I don't
yeah,
understand this word because for the
yeah,
entire lockdown, I haven't
yeah,
been depressed actually.
yeah,
Because maybe I kept myself occupied with a lot of
yeah,
things and
yeah,
things like that.
yeah,
So
yeah.
I feel we all are artists. If there's an
Right.
artist hidden within us,
Yeah. Yes.
and we have an
Agreed.
acting in our life.
Yeah.
Acting in our life together,
Yeah. Yeah.
So I think just explore yourself and just
Yeah.
stay happy, stay calm,
Yeah.
meditate, work out. I think that's all.
Yeah, well said, Priyanka, and thank you so much for joining us, sharing your time, and spending all
Thank you.
being with us online and chatting up with us. Thank you so much, and have a nice day
Thank
ahead.
you.
Bye bye.
You too. You
Yeah, bye
too.
bye.